I'm here with the very talented Clayton Senne. So Clayton, correct me if I'm wrong here, but you're kind of like Elton John in the sense that you write your own songs, you play them on the piano, and you sing.
Yeah, we can go with that. I like it. Why not? Elton's he's good. He's good people.
All right. Well, you know, I really have fallen in love with one of your songs, The Sun Will Rise, which is crazy because it was featured on MTV's The City.
Yeah.
So do you watch shows like that? Because you kind of don't seem like the artist that really would.
I don't watch a lot of it. I hope LC or whoever was on that show isn't watching, but I really don't care.
Whitney, not LC.
I'm sorry.
What are you
exactly.
talking
I don't
about?
watch it. I'm sorry. I should have come to you for advice on which show to watch.
Well, I do hear you're recording a new album.
Yeah. I'm getting really excited. It's been a long time, so I'm ready for the new one to come out.
What's the name of it?
It's called And Her Name Is Music.
Awesome.
I like it. But
so is there
I
any
guess I'm a little biased.
Are there any upcoming performances in Orlando that we can check you out at?
October 2nd, I'm playing at the 1112 Lounge with my band, with actually the Reprieve, who's here tonight. So that'll be a good night. It'll be a good night. Good shout out for them. Yeah! Woo! And then late November at the Social on the 20th with this guy named Tyrone Wells, a good buddy of mine. Really killer dude.
Sweet. Well, where can we find you on the net?
Musicbyclayton.com, Facebook/music by, everything's just Music by Clayton because, as we already established earlier today, it took some training for you to say my last name, and so most people
don't. I get that all the time. Hirschfelder?
Yeah,
come on.
Exactly. You feel my pain. So yeah, just Music by Clayton for everything.
Great. Check him out, y'all. All right, well, nice, ladies and gentlemen, for your viewing and listening pleasure, saving the world 88 keys at a time, I give you Clayton Senne performing Floodgates.
It started as a trickle, like any other bad day. I smiled despite the sadness. I kind of missed the rain. The water's falling. The clouds come storming in. Just wanted to dance in the rain, but somehow ended up weathering the storm again. Close out the world, let nobody know you're down. It doesn't feel as deep when nobody else is around. The water's rising. Should I sink or swim? I'm going under. What's the point in breathing if I'm only gonna drown again? Should I take one last breath to feel the air, to feel anything? The current's gotten so swift, I fear the floodgates are flowing. I hear all is quiet once you accept the inevitable. Though I might struggle for a while, when it ends I'll be peaceful. The water's advancing, and my thirst for life's run dry. And mama, I'm not okay with dying, but at least I'll finally know what's waiting on the other side. And if I can, I'll be waiting for you on the other side. taking one last breath to feel the air, to feel anything. The current's gotten so swift, I feel the floodgates are flowing. Though sometimes fighting's worth the cause, the next time before our arms I'll pause. Well, I was never watertight, a baby born beneath the falls. No time for one last breath, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. No, no. The current's gotten so swift,